7 ways to store water for an emergency. First up, collapsible water containers. These are a game changer for emergencies. They hold several gallons but fold flat, so they won't take up valuable space until you need them. When a storm is on the way, just unfold, fill, and you're set with extra water in minutes. Next up, stackable water bricks. These are like the Tetris masters of emergency preparedness. These compact, durable bad boys hold 3.5 gallons each and can be stacked like Legos under your bed, in your closet, or even in that awkward corner of your garage. They're practically indestructible, leak-proof, and they even have handles for easy carrying. On a budget, no problem. You can recycle large soda or juice bottles for water storage. Just give them a good clean and sanitize them, then fill them up for an instant, low-cost water supply. It's not only budget-friendly, it's eco-friendly too. And don't forget to fill up your bathtubs and sinks before the storm hits, so you'll have extra water for cleaning and flushing toilets. Easy, practical, and no extra spending required. Next, meet the WaterBOB, the ultimate way to turn your bathtub into a 100-gallon emergency water tank. Forget scrambling for bottled water or storing bulky barrels. Simply lay the WaterBOB in your tub, attach it to your faucet, and in about 20 minutes, you've got fresh, clean water that stays good for up to 16 weeks. Perfect for drinking, cooking, or cleaning when the water supply's out. It's BPA-free. Made of food-grade plastic, and keeps your water protected from dirt and debris. For non-drinking water storage, rain barrels are a fantastic option. Just set them up outside, and they'll collect rainwater that you can use for cleaning, flushing toilets, or even gardening. It's a great way to make the most of what nature gives you. Just remember, if you're planning to drink the water, make sure to treat it first. Need to store a lot of water? Look no further than these 55-gallon barrels. They're ideal for long-term water storage and can hold enough to cover your basic needs during an extended emergency. To make sure your water stays fresh, store the barrels in a cool, dark spot like a garage or basement. And don't forget, rotating the water every 6 to 12 months is key to keeping it safe for drinking or cooking. Last but definitely not least, purification systems like the Life Straw are a must-have in any emergency kit. These handy devices let you safely drink from almost any water source, whether it's a stream, a puddle, or a questionable tap. When clean water is hard to come by, just filter it through the Life Straw and you're good to go. It's the simplest way to stay hydrated when the situation gets tough. You're now ready to store water like a pro for any disaster. Be sure to check the description for links to all the water storage items I've mentioned and a PDF version of this list to get started today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on disaster preparedness.